Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're looking at Prosper, a peer-to-peer lending platform found at prosper.com. This platform connects borrowers seeking personal loans with individual investors willing to fund them. Instead of going through a traditional bank, borrowers can apply for loans through Prosper, and if approved, their loan requests are listed on the marketplace for potential investors. Investors can browse through various loan listings, each detailing the borrower's credit score, loan purpose, requested amount, interest rate, and loan term. They can then choose to invest in loans that meet their risk tolerance and investment goals. Prosper offers a range of loan grades, reflecting the assessed risk of each borrower. Higher-graded loans generally carry lower interest rates but also represent a lower risk of default. Conversely, lower-graded loans offer higher potential returns but come with a greater chance of the borrower not repaying the loan. Diversification is a key strategy when investing on platforms like Prosper. Spreading your investment across multiple loans can help mitigate the risk of losing your principal if a borrower defaults. It's crucial to carefully review each loan listing and consider the associated risks before investing. Prosper provides tools and resources to help investors make informed decisions. They offer historical data on loan performance, including default rates for different loan grades. Investors can use this information to develop their investment strategies and assess the potential risks and returns. It's essential to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results, and investing in peer-to-peer loans always carries a degree of risk. Prosper charges fees to both borrowers and investors. Borrowers pay origination fees, and investors pay servicing fees. These fees should be factored into your calculations when considering using Prosper. Before investing, it's recommended to thoroughly research and understand the fee structure. Finally, remember that peer-to-peer lending is an investment, and like all investments, it involves risk. It's crucial to do your due diligence, understand the platform's terms and conditions, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Prosper offers an alternative lending and investing model, but it's important to proceed with caution and informed decision-making.